Hi, welcome back to Elle's Experiments. Today we're going to make a tie-dye t-shirt. First we need to tie the shirt with 5 rubber bands. Then we're going to add your colors and then wrap it up. And first you need your safety goggles, your lab coat, and your safety gloves. Let's get started. Now our colors. 1, gloves, 2, and 3. This is light pink, purple, and dark pink. Let's put on my gloves. Okay, next glove. We're on the same finger. So now I'm going to pour the water into the bottle. Which color do you want? Huh? Dark pink? Okay, open it up. Then we're going to pour the water in. Wow. Okay, now we put that one. Now we're going to put the top on. Next, I'm going to grab purple. Let's unscrew the top. This time we're not going to spill it. They're really slow. Now let's put the top on. So now we're going to do light pink. Open it up and not spill it one more time. This is going to be just really slow. Come back here. Come back here. Now, for the fun part, shaking them up. What color you want to shake up? Like pink. Pink, okay. Whoa, it's cool. Which color next? Purple. Okay.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, 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 shake. Whoa. Shake, shake. Now last color, pink. Shake, 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 shake. Now we're going to grab the shirt. We're going to unfold it. And then we're going to add the rubber bands. Let's do that. And now we're going to tie it up. Rolling it up. And now let's put 10 rubber bands on. The first one goes there. Second one goes there. I took my gloves off because it was easier. So now we're going to do them without my gloves. Let's do it.
You can just move the rubber bands out the way too.
Two rubber bands. Third one next. If you need help, just ask your parents. It's really fun. So now it's kind of tight, but it's fun. And then we're going to put the next rubber band on. And then the next rubber band on. Then the next one. And then we're going to do the two last ones. Then the last one. Then the last one. On the other side. Finished. So which color do you want to put on the tie-dye first? Pink. This pink or this pink? This pink. Okay. Let's put 1 dot. 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just a little bit more. Squeeze.
Of the shirt too, but make sure it's over the glass.
So next is the other color, and then we can do it over again. Splat, 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 splat. So easy and fun. Now we can add this pink again. You can turn on pink if you want to get all the color around. Then I'm going to do that pink and then mix it up with this pink. Doop, doop, doop. Cool. Cool on this side. It's going to be super cool. One, two, three, four. And now we're going to add some purple to that pink. Now we're going to add some pink. And then some purple again. Splat. It's really cool, so you can do that. You can spread it everywhere you want. Then spread the purple everywhere. Spread the purple everywhere, so it can be really dark. And then we're going to put some pink on here. Pink, pink, pink. Just need some more pink. Okay, now this pink. Okay. Now it has to dry for 8 hours. I'll be back. Bye-bye. Hi, welcome back to Elle's Experience. Today we're going to see the reveal of my shirt. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Do you want to see the whole thing? Yes. Okay, let's see the whole thing. I have to take off the rubber bands. Wow. I'll let it sit overnight. And now it's finished. This shirt's gonna be awesome. Finished yet? Nope. Finished? Nope. It's getting bigger. See what it looks like for now? It looks like that in the inside. So it's really hard, but I can still do it, and it's fun to make your own tie-dye shirt. So now I'm gonna take out the last rubber band. Let's get started. Then you can see what the shirt looks like. Finished. Now let's open it. This is what it looks like. So it has pink, purple, white, and some more pink. See you later. Look at my kind of shirt. It's pink, purple, and some more purple, and some pink.